before I should start the session, I will explain you how you should invest in crypto. Like you are opening the demat account with a broker, same way with one crypto exchange, you have to open a account. Many are there. So you have international brokers, you have domestic brokers. Our domestic brokers, that Wazirex was there, and Coin Switch also there. Coin Switch, Kuber. Coin Switch. It is a good broker. So Coin Switch Kuber. So here you can open up a account. Account need to be open. Then you need to link your bank account. So you have to link your bank account so that you can send the fund, you can receive the fund. So link your bank account. So bank account, and before that also, once you are linking in this stage also, you have to do a KYC process. Your PAN card you have to update, you have to upload your photo, live photo. That is an online KYC process they will be doing. So KYC also you have to make it. Post that your account will be live. So instantly the KYC and other things, hardly it takes some 20-30 minutes. So you have to, that app you have to install, then link your bank account, do a KYC. Now your account is ready. Account is ready for crypto investment. So this account is ready for your crypto investment. You can buy any crypto coins, crypto tokens, everything, meme coins, and other things. So you can invest it there, trade in there. Crypto also having futures, crypto also having options. So nowadays, so you can say that many brokers also has come here, those who are offering crypto options. CoinSwitch also offering crypto future, but it doesn't have crypto options. So spot crypto you can buy, like your equity you can buy and hold. So you can trade in future also. Future also you can buy and hold, and same way margins will be there, brokerage will be there, everything will be there. So this is all trades, whatever you are doing in your equity, stock future, index future, same thing you can do it in the crypto. So it is international instrument, non-regulated instrument. It is not regulated by anyone. So you have a higher grade of risk. So that is also you have to understand. So I will suggest you be a crypto investor. Don't be a crypto trader initially. So crypto trading is a very, very riskier game. And if you are using like your leverage trading, like your intraday and all, if you do it in the crypto, you can do it, but it is highly riskier ventures. So better be a crypto investor. And all the earnings from your crypto is being taxed at 30 point and on 30.14% or 18%. This is the tax government is going to take. Earlier it was a very big tax. Now they have reduced it. Earlier it was a 57% tax almost. So that has reduced now. That has categorized that virtual digital asset. Crypto is being categorized as virtual digital asset. So it is being given one definition as an asset, like equity is an asset. This is also as an asset, virtual digital asset, VDA. So it is also attracts 1% of TDS. That TDS will be means it will in your income tax form 26A, AS or A. It will be reflecting how much trade you have done, which coins you have done, all details will be there with the government. So whatever profit you earn, you can pay 30% of tax. So that is one part, and there is no carryover tax. Suppose if you are having some losses in this financial year, this year, so these particular losses you cannot take it to the second year. You cannot do it. Crypto, that is having different definition. This is though 30 point and odd they have given the tax, because to distinguish between the business income and crypto income. So crypto taxes Whatever profit you made, you have to pay the taxes. Whatever loss is there, you cannot carry to the next year. But you can offset the profit and the loss, and the net profit you can show there, or net loss you can show there, but that loss is only pertaining to your income tax. However, it will not be carried forward to the next year. Whereas in your equity as well as your F&O trades, you carry over that losses, you offset it with the profit for coming 7 or 8 years. So that same facility is not there in the crypto. It is non-regulated. That is also another thing, is that is not regulated by SEBI, RBI, nothing. So it is not regulated. It is a global instrument. So though risk is there, however, this is a highly organized market. So organized market, it is a self-disciplined market, and many good things are there. So this is what the crypto industry is. And this is Ranjan from smartfinancing.com. So every time we come with new concepts, new things, whatever the emerging technology happens, especially in the trading investment domain, every time we educate the traders. So many unique things we have done in our presence of 15 years. We have decoded many WD Gann's principle, many unique concept of day tradings we have innovated, many things we have done. So more about us, you can get it here. And our crypto software also will be get ready within few months, wherein you can analyze the cryptocurrency also. So before I should go to the session, again I should say good evening to all of you. Fine. So we'll understand what is a cryptocurrency, how it works. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency. So it is using a cryptography for security. So this is what called HCR Bitcoin, called as your cryptocurrency. And Bitcoin is one of the cryptocurrency, and anything other than Bitcoin is known as your altcoin or alternative coins. So this is a cryptographic security it is doing. This is what I have told you. Say very good way I can tell you one very small example I will tell you. Say you are manufacturing a shoe. Shoe you are manufacturing. So this is your shoe. You can say this is one shoe manufactured by Ranjan. This is Ranjan is manufacturing, having a factory, and Ranjan is manufacturing shoe. So this particular shoe what I am manufacturing, it is having a special type of sole, a special type of cloth I have utilized, everything I have utilized. So what happens once I sell this one? If I sell this shoe, so sell this shoe to the market, I have a fear. Can someone of my competitor can copy it? Similar kind of a fake goods also someone can produce. That fear will be always there, because this I have spent a lot of money in my R&D, everything, and I am going to sell this shoe in the market, and I have a fear that maybe somebody will copy my shoe or make a similar exact design, exact look and feel shoe, but same material will not be there. So during the process of my transit or supply chain, it may be somebody replace my goods with that counterfeit goods, and it may invite a bad name for me. So here what I will give one specific QR code or one specific facility. If my customer just scan that, he can get all details about this issue, where it is manufactured, who has manufactured, which date manufactured, which batch it is being manufactured, what material it is utilized, whether it is a authentic good, is a counterfeit goods. Everything my buyer can get if just open up the box and scan one QR code which is fixed on the shoe top or somewhere in a hidden place or in the back of the sole. You can say nowadays a lot of things is coming there, because many people are medicines to know also you are having a QR code. You are just scanning it, it is telling that whether that medicine is a proper medicine by that particular company or it is counterfeit. So that is a thing you are touching now. So how does things is being achieved? This thing is being achieved by a smart contract. This is known as your smart contract. In cryptography, it is known as smart contract. A contract will be executed with all smart contract, smart invoice, smart transit, many things you can say. Smart contract, it is a concept wherein all goods information will be saved in a block. So it is known as your blockchain. So here it is a blockchain. It will be encrypted. Nobody can able to see it. It will be a public thing. But once it is someone is accessing or just scanning that, it will just guide them to a website or a web URL, and that web URL will give all information about that shoe or about that medicine or about anything. That is known as your smart contract. So you expand the scope of this smart contract. It is a contract between two things. So once that contract is being done, or this is being checked, so my goods can be checked. So I am having no fear. My goods cannot be copied by anyone. So I have taken the service of a smart contract, and I am paying something for that. And this payment for maintaining the purity record of my shoe, I am taking the service of a smart contract provider. Smart contract provider is telling I will maintain all these things. However, I will not take money in your currency. You have to give me in the Cardona. So one currency, or this is Cardona, one currency, you can give me in that currency. I'll ask from where I get the Cardona. So Cardona, I can get it from any of the Bitcoin exchange. So each time, whatever the charges will be there. So proof of work. So once that proof of work or proof of stakes is being made, then I'll be paying one part of that, so that my logistic or my supply chain is being maintained properly. So when we say blockchain is a set of information, set of records which will not be stored in any database. It will not have any hacking risk. So it is a block. Block is consisting of lot of records. Someone's name, someone's age, what is his education qualifications, what work experience, what is his food habits, what kind of shoe he is wearing, and which company is working. All n number of informations available there. It is encrypted. Only the intended people can see it. Same way for one shoe, when it is being made, which batch it is being made, who are the first technicians involved in that. So where the initial transit happened, everything records will be there. But that record only can be seen by the intended audience, the person who is intended for that. General public cannot be able to see that. So that is a security is there, encryption is there, data cannot be hacked there. So data is encrypted. So this is encrypted means you can't get the actual data. Suppose if I want to, what is encrypted? Anybody can say. Suppose A is a letter, all of you can able to read. If I just represent A as 101012163, who will see that this is A? So I have given one code. This code, it represents A. That is means the original data can be converted to some numeric, some binary data, some numeric data, some character data, some picture data, and once it is decrypted, it will open up his original data. One letter you can see that it will have a picture. So you will have a picture. So this picture having nothing. So once someone scans this picture, one note he will get. One great note will come. It will be having some 5,000 lines of writing, which will be utilized there. So for that, that part is there in the cryptocurrency or cryptography. So it is secure. So it is said that Bitcoin is one of the crypto coin. We have other coins also. Then we have two different coins. What kind of coins we are having? We are having this crypto industry in the entire, like in your stock market, what is there? Stock market, you have IT stocks, you have, you can say, banking stocks. So banking stocks, you understand that now, okay, banking stock means they are doing all bank related work. IT means it is information technology stocks. You have cement stocks, so you understand that kind of things. So here crypto tokens also likewise there are having 5 categories: utility tokens, security tokens, mirror assets, non-physical tokens or NFTs, meme coins. So these are the 5 industries or 5 type of things is there. So suppose we are saying that IT industry, IT is a industry. Under IT industry, you have hundreds of divisions. One category of IT industry which is focused on telecom sector. One category of things is there in engineering sector. One category of IT is there in the, you can say, in hardware sector, IT hardware sector. So like that way, different thing is there. IT is main. Under that, lot of subdivision is there. Same way, utility tokens are one type. Under that, many sub industries and subcategories are there. So, but broadly, they are classified into 5 categories: utility, security, mirrored, NFTs, memo coins or meme coins. So these meme coins, what it suggests, they are not having any asset. So like you can say dog coin, pep coin, these are not having no asset. It is just a loose asset, or you can see here, you can say this is a pep coin. This is having virtually having no very low value. You can say if you just read through that, what is this thing it is there, what this coin is doing. So it is you can say pep is a deflationary meme coin launched in this, created in tribute to a Pep the Frog internet meme created by this person and early to this project is popularized this thing. So all this thing it is telling, it has no intrinsic value. So no intrinsic value, nothing. It is a character. So one frog was a character. Using that character, somebody has made one coin. So now you say that where this coin can be transacted and what people can do with that. So you are seeing one picture here. You are seeing one picture here, Pep. So this Pep can be presented in different ways. Sometimes it will be chained, sometimes it will be smiling, sometimes it will be crying, sometimes it will be dancing, sometimes it will be doing some things. Suppose you are telling that if you want me to fight a Pep war, two frogs are fighting with each other in a computer game or anything, but to participate in that game, you have to give me this Pep coin. So 5 coins you do give so that you can play this Pep game for 5 minutes or 5 hours. So this is where the Pep coins utility is there, small utility, but it has no intrinsic value, nothing is there. It is just for fun. So this is kind of coins are just for fun, but it has a huge market capitalization. Certain characters you can say that here that Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, this Elon Musk used to promote this one. So these are the coins, you can say no intrinsic value at all. It is light-hearted coins, no fundamental values, no very little utilities, and it is just among the traders to make quick gains due to their extreme volatility. Their extreme volatility, no big use they have. So that yes, that also day will come that we can have smart finance coin also. So then there is a concept called token unlock. Many of you will be there. So this concept is known as token unlock is a concept. Suppose I am saying that I will be taking the Cardano's service. Cardano is for smart contract. I have explained to you smart contract. Smart contract is one for, I have told you the example of one supply chain. I am producing a shoe, I am selling it into some other countries. I have a fear that in between somebody may take out my shoe and put some that counterfeit things there or duplicate things there. So for that I am just putting a QR code. I am putting all details and some secrecy about the goods. So the product, whenever somebody is a buyer, he is buying it. and he scans it, he get all data. Suppose I am taking that service from Cardona. I can take from anyone, I can take from Ethereum, I can take from Cardona, I can take from any other coins. So what happens, this to integrate this Cardona's, this blockchain things to integrate these things in my product or service, it will take some time, because if I say to Cardona, Cardona will not tell that, okay, Cardona will tell that, okay, we'll provide you the infrastructure or our blockchain technology. So blockchain is nothing but they have a software, they will be having a server, so they will have specific protocols. So I will be writing the code to create a block, add the blocks to that, and how the block will move and block will be validated, that also I will add. So all things will take some time. It may be 5-6 months time or 1 year time it will take for me. My developers will sit and they will develop a blockchain application. During that time, so if Cardona accepts my things, he will say that, okay, I am accepting your things. You can use my technology, but provided you have to buy 5 lakhs Cardona tokens. I'll say that, okay, whatever the market value is there in the Cardona, I can buy 5 lakhs tokens, say X price I have purchased. X price I have per token is suppose $0.25 or currently whatever 0.78 or 79 it is trading, you can see Cardona 0.80. I bought Cardona and I started the Cardona project. I have added to the Smart Finance project. So now Smart Finance buyers can check whether this course belongs to Smart Finance or not, whether this goods belongs to the Smart Finance or not. They can have a smart contract checking facility they will have, whether that person is using my goods or not, whether all things a smart contract it will be having. So what is refund policy, everything will be there. So now this project 1 year after it is completed. So this 5 lakhs token when I took from the Cardona, and Cardona allowed me his technology to use and integrate in its platform. So that token is got locked. This 5 lakhs token is locked in my hand, because I am ongoing process. I am having that blockchain technology I am developing for my company. I have not completed, but my tokens are locked. To get the access to that, I need to buy this thing. Otherwise, Cardona will not give me the facility to test my blockchain applications. It will not allow me to put that things into his live technology platform. It will not do anything. It have a protocol. I have to buy some tokens, then only he will allow me to access his technologies, his platform. Fine. So I bought some coins, I started the project, I completed the project, I integrated with the Cardona. Once I get integrated, these 5 lakhs coins will become unlocked. It is locked. When I bought it, it is locked. It was my solution was under development. Once my project is completed, these coins will become unlocked. So whenever you are hearing a term called token unlock, that means some extra token will come to the market, supply will increase and prices will fall to a little bit. So you have to see how many percentage of token is locked. So that token is locked means that projects will come, and that for temporarily it will just bring the price little down, but temporarily, because once that token comes to the market it is unlocked, then my buyers also will start using that token. I will start transacting with that token. So it is not a inflationary, it will be into the transaction. So that is known as your token unlock. Whenever token unlock news you are getting, that you can say that prices will correct to certain extent. So that time, instead of buying, you can wait for some time. So category of the token I have told you: utility token, security token, mirror token, meme coins, like this. Now coming to the currencies, like you are having rupee, dollar and other things. See, crypto also dependent on certain currencies like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. These are the currencies. With this you can do the trade. So you cannot use this your currencies, rupee, dollar and all. You can use Bitcoin, and Bitcoin can be converted to anything. It can be converted to dollar, it can be converted to Bitcoin Cash, everything. So you can, whenever you are in blockchain, you have to trade using these currencies and many other currencies also there. So every token is having a currency also. You can say that if you are using Cardano, they also have a special currency. Now, if for smart contract, if you are using, you can use Ethereum, you can use Cardano, you can use Polygon, Matic. So these are for the smart contract. For privacy, so you want that certain things I can put it, but my privacy should not be compromised, or it cannot be seen by anyone. Whatever I am doing, my work should be protected. It should be encrypted. No one can see it in between. Only point to point. So, for example, so you are in a company, you have a manager, you have some assistant managers, 2, 3 assistant managers are there. So below this assistant manager, you can say that 3 team leaders are there. Team leader there. Under that also team leaders are there. So team members are, every team member leader is having 5 team members. So you want that certain informations can be seen only by the manager. You can use privacy coins. So that information nobody can able to see. Only the person manager will having that decrypting things. So you can write your application will have such a facility that only can be seen by different hierarchy people. So below the hierarchy people cannot able to see specific information. So that also is known as privacy coin. So you are seeing smart contract coins, you have seen the currencies coins, smart contract coins, privacy coins. Then you have stable coins. Like you have a USD, they are also having a digital things. Dollar also having a digital. So digital currency known as your Tether. So this is known as your digital dollar. Like our digital rupee also has come. So USD coin also there. So dollar is stable coins. They will not rise, they will not fall. They will stable. One means one. One cannot go to 0.5. So like this way, stable coins are there. Governing tokens, you can say that you can want to participate. Certain, like you can participate in a decision making. Certain, suppose in companies board meeting and other things, you require governing token. So all directors will be sitting somewhere, shareholders will be sitting somewhere. So you are nowadays what you are taking, vote you are taking through our e-voting system. But governing token, if you have everything say on that particular thing. So governing tokens also there. So utility tokens is your this Binance, and Binance is a exchange. Binance is a exchange where you can do the crypto tradings. But for trading, you are paying the brokerage, na? You will be paying the brokerage, you will be paying the transaction fee. So all these things you cannot pay in your money. You have to use the Binance coin. So it is utility tokens. So all in all, I have just told you a very brief intro about the crypto industry. Now what happened in the crypto industry post Donald Trump's election? Post the Donald Trump's elections, once earlier to Donald Trump, there was a huge restrictions on the crypto, and crypto is being considered as a disruptor in the market, and it was hijacking the market, hijacking the local currency system. But in fact, crypto is a different technology. Nobody was able to understand that technology. So crypto will make many things very simple. So your goods, if you are producing from India, sending somewhere, you rest assured that during the transit, nobody can able to put a duplicate goods in your name. Say for medicines, say for engineering goods, say for any commodity like your shoe, like your any kind of fast moving goods, nobody can able to that tamper your goods. That kind of security it can. Your some information is passing through, that also cannot be tampered. So for one more example I can tell you. So you have in the over a period of 15 to 20 years, that crypto industry has moved to a great extent. If I say you, many of you have taken a house loan and bought a house. How many of you have taken a house loan and bought a house? You tell me. How many of you taken a house loan and bought a house? How many of you? Suppose if you are taking, many of you. So many of you have taken a house loan and bought a house. Say 1 crore loan you have taken. So almost you are paying 83,000 rupees as a EMI. And this EMI will go for 20 years, isn't it? 20 years, and you have already paid some 15 to 20 lakhs rupees initial money for getting that things, and paying 83,000 rupees per month EMI per month, and for 20 years you will be paying. If I tell you there is a concept which will say that you give the same 20 lakhs, no EMI, you will be paying only 15K per month, and after 5 years you can pay the money. 5 years you can pay the money, complete money. How much? 20 lakhs you have paid, and after 5 years you will be paying only 80 lakhs and own the house. How beautiful it will be. So what you have done? 20 lakhs you have paid. You got the house. House is like bank is taking authentication. So it will be there in someone's name. You won't get the house. 5 years period will be given, or 10 years period will be given. So this rent will not increase. So that will be you will not pay any EMI and all. You will be paying 15K or 20K as a rent for 10 years or 20 years. The same 20 years you can say 20 years. You will go on paying 20 years. This thing, no EMI will be paid. 83 fixed rate is not there. And maybe that rent will be revised once in 5 years by 10%, 20%, whatever, by looking at inflation. But 20 years after, you have to pay remaining only 80 lakhs rupees what you have the loan amount, and you own the house. Which is better? 83,000 per month to pay 20 years and own the house, or pay 20 lakhs, pay 15,000. After 20 years, you pay 80 lakhs and own the house. Which is better? This one is better. What I said to you, this is possible through crypto, DIFI concept. So here what happens? One catch is there. So suppose you do not pay after 20 years. After 20 years, you paid the rent, but 20 year plus one day, you did not pay any rent. You cannot go to the court, kachari, anything. Smart contract is already enabled. The day 20 year is ending, you have to vacate the house or you have to pay the money. If you are not vacating, the clause says that they will come and take over all your assets. Whatever is there in the house, they will take over everything, they will throw you out. You cannot, because you have agreemented like that. Since there is a thing you have done, you cannot go to any court, kachari, anything. You have written, I will not go to any court, kachari, nothing. No cases and other things I will file. That is smart contract. Because you are getting a huge benefit for that. And this 20 lakhs rupees, no auction, nothing. 20 years after, if you are not paying anything, you have paid the rent, it is gone. This 20 lakhs also will go. So nothing you will get. They will throw all your belongings or keep all your belongings, throw you out, take the house. And that house, they will sell it off and give it to the people, those who have given you the loan. DIFI, decentralized finance. This is known as DIFI. Decentralized finance is operating on that order. I will show you one decentralized finance coin. You will get surprise on finance. YFI. On finance. If you do not this on finance, see the value of this thing. 5 lakhs rupees is one coin. 5 lakhs rupees is one coin. I think that during post-corona or something, that is, I bought it at 33,000 or something. Does that range? I bought it sometime long back. So you can see that. So here 33,000, somewhere 21, 22, something that. So 33,000 and odd I have bought it. That is not. It is not 33,000. Very 75,000 or something. I bought it. So It is now 6 lakhs. What it does? It's a DIFI person. So if you just scroll it down, you will come to know what is the on finance does. It is a aggregator service, decentralized finance. Investors using automata allow them to profit from yield farming. So this is yield farming is the similar concept of this thing. So yes, that is what 2020, 25, 2021 or something I bought it, but I sold it at some 6 lakhs and odd. Then after it has fallen, then after I did not buy it again. So this is a yield farming. What is yield farming? You can see here. They are into this kind of things. DIFI, they are into the yield farming. Suppose you have 1 lakh rupees, you go and deposit in the on finance. On finance, you deposit this 1 lakh. He will not pay you any interest. That company will say that I will not pay you any interest. Whenever opportunity comes, I will tell you, you can invest some money. He will say there is a real estate deal I got. So you will say that 10,000 I will put. I got a gold loan deal. He will say that this thing. I have got some cryptos yield will come. Somebody wants to buy a crypto, but he will not pay all money. Some crypto coins he will buy, but he will not pay any money. That coins is with me. He will pay only 20% advance. 80% anybody wants to pay. So you said that okay, 10,000 is my money. I should put it. So like this way, yield farming. That means wherever there is a yield, interest type of yield is there you put the money. Asset is guaranteed by the on finance company. He will hold the asset, whether it is building, whether it is gold, whether it is crypto, everything it will hold, and the yield, every monthly yield, whatever comes through the rent, through the interest, everything, that he will give it to you. When that opposite party is not obliging with that contract, because he has paid you some initial amount also, he will forfeit that initial amount, dispose of that asset, whatever value he got, he will give it to all the book holders of that. So see, that is a cost of owning a house. It can reduce by 80% if the yield farming concept of DIFI is being implemented. So this is what crypto industry is. So if I say, this is one example I have given. Second example, if we can give, say you want to set up a company. You set up a company, manufacturing company, or t-shirt you make or something. All your IT infrastructure somebody will give you. He will not take any money. He will tell that I will have a website for you. I will have everything for you. So post the Donald Trump came into the power, he made a statement. He is going to make US as a crypto capital. Crypto capital he is going to make. He is telling that I will bring a regulation to regulate this industry, because all these big technologies, those who are present in crypto domain from the past 15 to 20 years, these industry has matured. They have a client base. They have created employment. I want to regulate them. So that part has fueled the rally in the crypto. So that is what Trump's choice is. So now coming to which of the cryptos can give you a great return in the coming 1 to 3 year period. To my knowledge, Solana has given a great return, because many of you, I also had an investment I was having. Now I come out of that. So this is a coin which was just trading at 2,000 rupees and even come to 1,000 rupees. Now it is at 20,000 rupees. So the coming crypto boom, whatever is going to come. So note down these coins. So XRP, this is a great coin. Cardano, Solana also is a great coin. Can go to $500 to $600. Cardano is another coin. So this is also a great coin which can go. Its all-time high was $3.4. Now it is 0.79. This also $4.5. So this has, and this is already all-time high. So these coins are large cap coins, quality coins. They can move. Another things is there also. You can go for this SUI. So this is also a new coin, but excellent concept. If you understand about that coins things, this is also a great coin which can give you a value. near to $20 to $25 it can go if regulation comes and everything happens there. You have Avalanche, this is also a great coin. This is also, you can, Prawns also is a great coin. So all can go to 3 to 5x, 3 to 5 times it can go. So Pi coin is a rustic coin having lot of only that you can say huge amount of TRPs are going on, but it is not quality coin. Whenever you click on any coin, you must see what they do. That is very important. It is not easy to research a crypto coin. So that's why I'm telling, for this thing you can say it's a blockchain platform designed to support need of a global adoption, offering the secure, powerful, scalable development platform. It is a core ACL average. So these are the technical things. Data modeling, it is there, and moving programming language to address inefficiency in the previous existing blockchain architecture. So if you are a technocrat, if you are into the software domain, you will be knowing that how these things are very useful things. And memo coins are there, doggy coin is there, other coins are there that you can put. It has no fundamental things, but these companies are having the fundamental. They are into Web3. They are going to give that multi-programming, move programming language to address inefficiency in the blockchain. Other things, it has a great enhancement it can come. So now these are the best out of the first 15, 20 coins, you can say. I'll be saying that if you are a 2 to 3 years period, if you want to invest, you can, these are the coins has not touched its all-time high. So this was $5 to $6, it is still $1. It has a value. Ethereum and Bitcoin has already touched its all-time high. Solana has a lot more to go because it is very less, its circulating capacity is very less, so it can go to $550, $600 also. Cardano, it was trading at, when 2021 period when it has launched, it was $3.50. It is now 0.79 cents. This also has a great things to go. Tron also having a great price to move. Avalanche, it has fallen a great. It is also a deflationary coin. It is not having a huge basket, but it is a utility type of coin, so you can take that. Sui is a great in technology and it's a great thought. It can go for $25. So these are the coins you can take. This also this also Polkadot also is a good coin. So these are the, you can say, large cap coins. This 15 20 series, whatever. Stellar also is a great coin. 2 to 3 things it can go. Near protocol also is a great coin. Litecoin also is a great coin. But I suggest less than $1 means you can go with this Cardano, Ripple. XPR is known as your Ripple. Cardano, you can go with the $3 in Sui. You can go for Avalanche. You can think for, because it is like Solana, so it has the similar architecture, similar volume. It can has the capacity to go for that. So these are the coins you can invest for 5 to 6x return, 5 to 6 times it will go up. So because why it will go, why stocks cannot go 5 to 6 times it will go? Because this is a global asset. It is non-regulated. Once US is going to regulate it, if US is going to regulate it, who is going to question their regulation? Tell me in world. Entire world, anybody will question their regulation? Anything they regulate, it is regulated. It became a global regulation, came into effect. And in return, they will create office there, they will create huge manpower there. And there are utilities there. You can use that particular utilities in a great way. Suppose Swift transfers, money transfer, what you are doing, it can totally replace with the blockchain, which is more secure. Within few seconds, money can go to other country also. So that kind of facilities also these people have. So now coming to the last part, how we can utilize these coins in the Gann study. Like Cardano I have taken. Cardano high was, other high was September 2021. It has gone to $3.9 and it has come down to $0.01925 in the March 2020. 2020 it was the low, high has gone 2021, $3.09. This other, this one and this one, $3 it was trading. And Just 30 days back, it was just around 40 rupees. Now it is 60-65. Its all-time high is $3.09. Means according to our currency, it should be 240 rupees to 250 rupees. Now also it has a great value. It is a, again, it is a very good, it can be utilized for governing, it can use for smart contracts, many facilities it has. It is a large cap also. So this kind of things it has. So how to analyze this thing? In Gann study, whenever you are analyzing that, I was just going through some international journals and all, I found out one person has utilized it. He has taken the Gann's price square action method and he has used the monthly cycle. Means in a month, we have maximum 31 days. So he has taken the 31 days and he has gone for 45 degree or 90 degree multiple. So first he is coming 45 degree. And this number which you are getting 0.01925. So 0.01925, this is the lowest number multiplied with 1 lakh because we have to convert it to a 4-digit number. So 1 lakh, then I am calculating the 45 degree resistance. Then I am again calculating the 45 degree resistance. Then I am calculating from the 90 degree resistance from 45 degree resistance. So you can see here 90 degree resistance from 45 degree resistance. Again I am calculating the 135 degree resistance from 90 degree resistance. So this process I have taken, and so post calculating that, since we have already multiplied it with 1 lakh, we have to divide it by 1 lakh to get the original value. So original value comes this things 0.28, again going to 0.33. Since you can say 1 month cycle, so from here he is telling 0.01925. Once the price crosses 0.33, so you should not repeat the different cycle, rather you can bring it to 90 degree here. 90 degree resistances you can calculate, and 90 degree resistance it is coming here. So you can see here recently what Cardano has achieved, and you can see Cardano was in a great lower level here. So you can see that 1 day value we are seeing, and 1 year's value we can see 1 year's value was 0.8. It was 0.33 or 0.34. That range it was trading. So it is 0.8 now. 0.8 now. Just July month it was 0.33. Almost 100% above it has gone. So it has gone to a level of 0.80. So 0.80 level. 0.80 is here. 1 month cycle it is completing. So once it completes $0.85, then its next cycle starts from 0.94. Once 0.94 start, it cannot stop till 1.04. 1.04 or $1.04. So this is how cryptos can be analyzed using the Gann's price to price squaring action. So it is that person who has done it, he has published a paper, and it is having a copyright restrictions. I cannot show that. However, this is how you should, he has utilized Gann's price to price square action. Suppose if it is completing at 1.04, what will be the next? Here no price will be changed. You have taken 45 degree initially we have taken, then we have taken 90, then we will go for 180 degree. 180 degree to find out the next level. So next is again closing at $3.62. So this is how the crypto analysis can be done using the Gann's price to price square action. Anybody has any doubt, you can. If you know the Gann studies, you can do it. So Gann studies here, Gann studies, those who are already known to the Gann studies, they can do it. If you have Gann's various methods are there, that's why it is only invitees is being given to the group people, those who are already gone through some Gann courses. They have already gone through the Gann courses, and almost all people whom we have invited for this program, they are all are known to this Gann concept of square of 9, square of 12, Gann price to price squaring action. This is known to all of you. So if you do not have the knowledge on that, better go for the Gann course and learn it. So this program is not to explain you what is Gann's square of 9, so price to price square. How it can be utilized for the crypto, I am going to tell you. In stock market, we are not using these methods. We are not using the 1 to 31 monthly cycles. Only for crypto, we will be using the monthly cycles. So monthly cycles, you can see here, it has now crossed to 1.13. 1.13, it has touched. Today it is touching as we are conducting the program, it is 1.13. So it has come down to this. So 24th monthly cycle of 24. So this cycle is going to end at 2.78 and it can go for 3.47. At this price is already, it has happened all time 3 point something what we are talking about. So this particular price already happened sometime in the past. It was 3.0930. 3.0930. So 3.0930, it has already happened, and this is going to, again we are going to get the 3 point and odd in this particular things. If 180-degree part is getting satisfied, or this particular from low. So this is how you can utilize the Gann studies. So why I have told you this thing, it is a new way of thinking on the Gann. Gann has nothing to do with the crypto. When Gann was alive, there was no crypto. So that part of the things they have said that it is a international instrument having a huge volatility. So it can be utilized in the, so that person has contested many square of 9, square of 12, all this principle. However, he has told that this particular method, price to price action, can be utilized. Gann angle can be utilized for short-term trend. So, and price range and time square method also can be utilized for this kind of things. So I have just shown you one price to price squaring action in monthly levels. You can have a huge multiplier effect. So you can have a Solana, again I repeat, Solana, Ripple or XPR. This is also a great things. Yes, they are going to actively. Cardano is another, Avalanche is another. So these are the things based on your pocket. You can take it. Sui also another part which has a great, like Solana, it can have a move, and you can have the Stellar XLM, and beyond that many are there, but these are the less than $1 investments. Very little you can do it. If you want to do Indian rupee, coin switch Kuber, coin switch app you can download. Do your KYC, exotic options, writing will have it, and fee is very high. It is not like your per lot wise, it is on percentage wise, and holding cost also there. If you keep holding that positions for 4 days, 5 days, you have to pay some interest. So that is also there. If you sell some option or buy some options or buy some future, you have paid the only margin money. Whatever the remaining money is there, you have to pay interest on that. So stock and options not having that, and that is maker and taker fee means. So here 0.5% is very huge. If you go for 1 crore, you can just imagine how much per day you are paying. So that is the fee you have to pay. Not only the brokerage, you have entire contract values, interest on one contract value you have to pay. So that is your maker and taker fee. So these are the fee you have to pay. So cost is very high. Cost is very high. Trading cost is very, very high. So for that I will suggest you, do not trade in the crypto. Better be a investor. Being an investor, you can earn big money as compared to trades. Do not trade there. That asset is not for trading at all. These assets are not for trading. It is having a technical value. So it is just like you are investing a Infosys type of, bigger than Infosys type of company in $1, means 190 rupees. This XPR is 5 times bigger than the Infosys. You can see Solana is almost 5 to 6 times bigger than the Infosys. Its value is this much. Cardano also similar capacity. It has a huge company. It has near to means few lakhs people are working, direct employment, other employment, stakers and other things. It is a huge. These are huge companies. They have a huge company. Sui also similar kind of companies. These are all one independent IT companies, large cap IT companies, and having an entirely different thought process. They are not IT contractors. They develop a different unique thought where people can get their solution, their projects, and they just you transact with their coin. So that is what is there. They do not take any money from the development cost. Okay, so this is what the similar way I was telling that power ledger company which is in the renewable energy segment. Last 2 years before I have told you all people, those who have joined my crypto webinar, 2 years power ledger. Power ledger crypto. So POWER, power. Yes, this is a coin. So it was hardly trading at some 7 to 8 rupees. So you know what this company does. This also present in India, but we do not know. This is a renewable. If you are having a solar rooftop panel in your top, if you are having a solar rooftop panel you put in your top, so you are selling it to grid. This fellow will set up he will collect it and put it in the grid. You know that how many Indian companies are related with that, because nobody has told us these things. You can say, if you see the clients, power ledger, renewable energy company. So you can say Uttar Pradesh government. Have a look here. They cannot write it false. Calcutta Electricity Supply Corporations, Tata Power. So these are the Malaysians, French, all these things. So what it does? Tata Power has set up a Tata Power DDL, Delhi Development thing, I think. Tata Power and DDL development. So he has Tata Power set up the panel. It has a government, this thing, P2P trading. So whatever this power will be produced here, this person will maintain a ledger. So how much you are producing, he will collect it, sell it to the grid. From grid, it will collect the money and give it to the Tata Power. But this technology of keeping an account of ledger of all your power productions, your sales, again, how much grid has to pay, how much grid paid, how much due is there, all these things, whatever is being done to give this particular solution, they have taken zero money. So they are not taking any money for that. But provided all Delhi Development Board or anybody, whatever money they pay, they have to pay in the power ledger coin token. This token they have to pay. One token is $0.25. $0.25. So it was 5 to 7 rupees, 8 rupees it was there. So you can say that this is what we are seeing, that you see the all-time low and other thing. Where the value was there, you can see. It is in between, it has a spike to a great level 0.6, but that 0.18, 0.17, so 0.05 to 0.25, see the growth. And it has not hit the all-time high. All-time high is almost $1.07, 80 to 90 rupees. Now it is hardly 20 rupees. So these are the very good projects. So see what it does. It is a company which manages all these things, and it has a platform. You can say it has X-Grid, it has all things. So it is into the renewable energy segment. So this, what kind of solution it gives? It manages 24 hours by 7 your renewable energy portfolio. And all these things, whatever it does, it doesn't take any money for that. This thing 24 by 7, he will manage your portfolio, but you need not have to pay any money to them. Then how the company will make the money? So hydrogen also they are entering, EV also they are entering. So how they will make the money? So they will say that you do the all transactions through our coin. This coin you have to do all transactions. It has a huge future, huge future. This I too also have the investment. A ledger of the power. So X grids they have. So all there you can see every coin you go their website you will get, you come to know what company it is, what projects they have. They have Thailand, they have this thing, they have in India 3 places, they have in France, Malaysia, United States, Australia, Belgium, so Vietnam, and Austria, all these countries he is having. So it is a MNC. It is a MNC. So such a MNC company you are getting at a very 20 rupees per share, you can say. It is just like his coin is just like his share, 20 rupees per his share you are buying. And which has a track record, it has gone to 120 rupees. Or $2 means 160 rupees. 160 rupees it has gone 2018. Then a lot of crackdown happened on this crypto, it has fallen. Going to regularize this market, you will see that within a year, by 2025 end, very good companies can give you huge return. Means your 100 rupees like Infosys investment in 1976, similar kind of things you can get it now also, if that really happening. And I am sure it is going to happen, because there in election nobody makes a false promise there in US. So invest something, even 20,000-50,000 you invest and forget for 2025. Once the regulation comes into effect, these companies are going to make you millions, it is going to give. And you are in global market, you are not in domestic.